Hey everyone, you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by bills and financial documents. A nagging question pops into your head: is Relay the right bank account for me? Hook. Let's dive deep into the world of Relay, a bank that's been making waves in the financial industry. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Relay really as good as everyone says it is? Section 1. What is Relay? Relay is a digital-first bank that's disrupting traditional banking. It offers a range of features, including high-interest savings accounts, debit cards with no foreign transaction fees, mobile check deposits, peer-to-peer payments. But what sets Relay apart is its commitment to simplicity and transparency. There are no hidden fees or confusing terms and conditions. Section 2. The pros of Relay. Let's explore some of the key benefits of using Relay. High-interest savings accounts. If you're looking to grow your savings, Relay offers some of the highest interest rates on the market. No foreign transaction fees. Whether you're traveling abroad or shopping online from international retailers, you won't have to worry about paying extra fees. Mobile check deposits. Deposit checks quickly and easily from your smartphone. Peer-to-peer payments. Send and receive money instantly with just a few taps. Section 3. The cons of Relay. No bank is perfect, and Relay is no exception. Here are a few potential drawbacks. Limited branch network. If you prefer to do your banking in person, Relay may not be the best option. Customer service. While Relay's customer service is generally good, some users have reported issues with getting timely responses. Section 4. Is Relay right for you? The decision of whether or not to open a Relay account depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, high-interest savings account and don't mind doing most of your banking online, Relay could be a great choice. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person or require a lot of personalized attention, a traditional bank may be a better fit. Section 5. Alternatives to Relay. If Relay doesn't seem like the right option for you, here are a few other popular online banks to consider. Bank Name 1. Bank Name 2. Bank Name 3. These banks offer similar features to Relay, but may have different strengths and weaknesses. Conclusion. So, is Relay a good bank account? The answer is, it depends. If you're looking for a simple, high-interest savings account with no hidden fees, Relay could be a great option. However, if you prefer to do your banking in person or require a lot of personalized attention, a traditional bank may be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.